Good morning, students. I am Vikas Kumar. I am going to teach you class 6th science. It's lesson 2 components of food. Student, today's topic is deficiency disease due to lack of vitamins and minerals. Class-6th science, lesson 2 components of food. Some deficiency disease caused by the lack of vitamins and minerals in the diet. First disease is scurvy. Scurvy is a type of disease. That develop due to lack of vitamin C. Lack of vitamin C in our diet. The symptoms of symptoms SOYMPTOMS. Symptoms of this disease is swelling and bleeding of gums. Swelling and bleeding of gums and wounds not healing properly. Students, symptoms: swelling and bleeding of gums and wounds not healing properly. Students, in 16th and 7th century, voyagers go for sailboating in ocean. At that time, this disease developed due to lack of fruits for long time. In 1747, a doctor named James Lind discovered that if vitamin C is receiver given them in the form of fruits, then they get immediately fit and fine. At that time, this disease come in light in the world. world, because at that time it is discovered. It is discovered. Second disease, students, rickets. Rickets. This disease is developed. It is developed due to lack of calcium and vitamin D in the body. Symptoms: in this disease, leg, shaped legs, pigeon type, chest, and bending of spine are the symptoms. There also may be pain in bones, and loss of tooth enamel, students. In adults, bones becomes brittle and can get fractured easily. With lack of vitamin D and calcium, it also lack of the mineral like phosphorus. Phosphorus is responsible for rickets. Now, third is anemia. It is also disease that is caused by the deficiency of iron in the body. Yes, we know that iron is responsible for the formation of blood in the body. We already studied it. A chemical substance that's name is hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is found in red blood cells in our body, in our blood. Red blood cells in our blood in the body. This hemoglobin is responsible for the formation of this hemoglobin is responsible for the supply of oxygen. Full of oxygen in the whole body. In the whole body. In the absence of or lack of minerals like iron, the formation of hemoglobin is not there. That's reason is not full supply of oxygen, and that gives anemia. The symptoms of anemia: patient looks pale, gets tired quickly, and suffers from lack of appetite or loss of appetite. Suffers from loss of appetite. Another type of anemia is also developed due to lack of vitamin B12. In this disease, there is a reduced formation of red blood cells in the body. Now, fourth disease, goiter. Goiter is also disease that is caused by the lack of minerals, that is iodine. Lack of mineral, that is iodine, in our diet. The thyroid gland. The thyroid gland situated in the neck region gets swollen or becomes swollen, and there is reduced formation of thyroxine. Here, thyroxine is a hormone that is formed in the neck region. This thyroxine, this chemical substance, this chemical controls the growth of body. But in the absence of minerals like iodine, these chemicals cannot form there, and that's why growth is not properly. Growth cannot properly. Therefore, a child suffering from goiter shows slow and retarded physical and mental growth. Mental growth. Goiter is common among people living in hill region. Common or among people living in Himalayan region in our country. Because of soil and water of that place are lack of iodine in that area. Consumption of iodized salt helps to avoid goiter. Now, students, today's topic is end, and finally this lesson is end for you. Just watch this video and take benefits. Thank you.